Hey guys, it's Richardlizhu. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the $600 luxury wallet from Louis Vuitton. If you're new here, my channel is all about the 4 Fs: finance, fashion, fitness, and fun. As you can see by the way I'm dressed, that these are not my strongest suits at the moment, but rather the areas in which I would like to improve in myself. If these are topics you're interested about, subscribe to my channel and we can go on this journey of discovery together. Let's get started. Now, this video is going to be a fusion of fashion and fun. So, I've never owned anything designer before, so this is going to be a first for me. So we can go on this journey of discovery together. To me, owning a $600 wallet would be almost unthinkable. But this was a gift to me by my girlfriend for my birthday. So these, I think, are really the best kind of gifts where you wouldn't buy them for yourself, right? So let's get started with the unboxing experience. I've been told that these unboxing experiences are supposed to be really nice. I mean, you're paying a lot for this wallet, so let's get started. So Louis Vuitton, and then the Louis Vuitton ribbon. And then so we can see already that there's a nice little, and it looks like there's a nice dust pouch for the wallet. And then it looks like there's nothing else. So I'll put this off to the side, and then we can take a look at the wallet itself. So this is a Louis Vuitton Slender Wallet, and the retail for this one is $570 US. Of course, some different designs go higher and lower in the price. So I've been told that this is like the certificate of authentication, or the certificate of like authenticity. So I will be keeping this safe and sound in the dust bag, so that if I for some reason ever need to resell, that should hopefully keep some of the value or something like that. I have no intention of ever selling this. I will be using it every day as my daily driver because it's my girlfriend's gift to me, and I want her to see that her gift is valued. So let's take a look inside. Oh my goodness, there's money? No wonder this wallet is so expensive. Just kidding. Yeah, so I had actually unboxed this earlier when I was with her, and she gave it to me, and I didn't want to pull out the camera to record then, and then I put all my stuff in it, and I guess I forgot to take out the cash. So that's why earlier the ribbon was not perfectly tied. From Louis Vuitton, actually, the ribbon was much nicer presenting. I can throw up a picture. I'll throw up a picture now as to what the box looked like before I opened it, but that's how the ribbon was. As we saw before, this is called the Vachetta leather from Louis Vuitton, and that's what the exterior is called. And it's striated, and it doesn't really feel like leather. It's apparently very soft. She was looking at a couple of different wallet options, and this was the softest one. So she was also considering ones where the exterior was also like this, but that was not as soft, she said. And she said the saleswoman recommended this one as well. So yeah, these wallets go from like the lower 500s up to like 700s, I think, or even this, or at least 600s. And then we can see there's a slot for your bills, and then there's the 2 slots here, I guess, for receipts and stuff. And then on each one there's slots for your cards. And then you have here the nice Louis Vuitton Paris Made in France logo. So I guess I like that this one's made in France. My girlfriend has some other Louis Vuitton stuff that's like not made in France, but Louis Vuitton is French. So I guess I would have never fathomed that I would ever have or own a $600 wallet from Louis Vuitton. Different people have different wants, right? And me, I personally don't value kind of name brand stuff. As I've earned more money, I've taken a liking to quality, but like the brand still isn't worth it for me. I'm not one to show off, but definitely this is a nice wallet and it should last a long time. So oftentimes when people buy luxury, they say, oh, this wallet will last, will last me 10 years. And so really, if you average out the cost, this is $600, and if you own it for 10 years, each year is about $60. That means each week's $1, which means each day is about less than 20 cents, right? And so basically it's the equivalent of, if you go through cheaper wallets, then it's going through 10 $60 cheaper wallets, right? And they say you know, it's better to own one nice $600 wallet than owning 10 you know, cheaper wallets that you have to replace every year, right? Because they say, you know, it breaks down and stuff. But what those people fail to assess is that you could own, you know, a cheaper wallet, a $10 wallet for 10 years, right? And then you're spending $10 over 10 years. So $1 per year instead of like $1 per week, right? So I'm definitely very fortunate to be in the situation where my girlfriend would get me something like this. And I'm definitely very grateful. And I will be using this every day as a show of gratitude. And because she likes luxury goods, as I think a lot of girls do. I read somewhere that Zillennials, they, you know, skimp out on rent and stuff, and they buy luxury goods, which my sister and my girlfriend both very much fall into that kind of demographic. So yeah, there's not too much to show here. I mean, I've just been kind of playing with it. But I suppose I will try to load it up with some cards. So I have here my Capital One Venture X, and then here I will probably have that one right here, and it fits very well. It slides in and out. Definitely needs to be broken in a little bit. These card slots are kind of cut in, so these go all the way down to there. I'll just show you each one. So each one goes to slightly below the previous one. It should be easy to get each of them in and out. As I'm putting it in, when it's empty right now, it's a little difficult, and it's definitely not broken in yet. So, but here you can put receipts in there and whatnot. And then, as I showed earlier, the bills, these are all the bills that I plan on keeping with me. So those fit like this. It's relatively big, actually, in that, like, there's a lot of extra space, but there's not that much extra space for your cards. So this is pretty much as small as you can get. It's called the Slender Wallet. They also have a multiple wallet, which is like a little bit more expensive, but that one has 2 slots for your bills, is what I heard. And then the design is also slightly different. It has fewer pockets. So even though it's supposed to be bulkier, it has fewer pockets. So that's interesting to me. This is called the Louis Vuitton Slender Wallet. And it's definitely quite slender, I guess. You know, this way, you know, you don't have any of that George Costanza kind of stuff where you're on tilt, you know? So now I've loaded up how I am going to be using it. So with driver's license, a card, a debit card, and another credit card, and my Costco card on either side. And this is how thick and slim it is, how slender it is, right? I have some dimensions here for you. It's about 4.5 inches wide, 3.5 inches tall, and it's about 1/2 inch thick when loaded with this many cards. So it's definitely pretty slender. And then if we want to get a weight assessment with everything I have in it, it's going to be 110 grams, 111 grams. But if we take everything out, the wallet itself is 68 grams. One away from being a great, nice round number. So yeah, definitely like this wallet. Would I buy it for myself? Never. So that's what makes it such a good gift, right? Good gifts are something that one would like, but would not buy for themselves. I would say this is a great gift. Very useful. These are the kind of gifts that I like, stuff that will be used every day. So I got my girlfriend before a Dyson hairdryer, and she uses that every day. This is a great gift. If you're considering getting one for a loved one, if it's within your budget, I would say all the more power to you. I'm sure they would love it, and I'm sure this will last a long time. I'll report back if this doesn't last a long time, because I'm expecting this to last a long time. But I'll update you guys if anything happens with it. I do really like the edge painting on this. It's a nice black edge paint, and it's painted very well, very even all across. The stitching is very nice. I mean, like all the basics I would expect. Like there's nothing, no visible flaws or anything. The design is quite nice. I really like it. And before we wrap up, actually, I noticed in the packaging that they included a Louis Vuitton Eau de Parfum. Basically, they included a sampler of a fragrance that they have. So I tried this out. You know, there's no smell-o-vision, but I tried this out, and it smells like soap that you would get from like a hotel. Which is a very interesting description, but that's exactly what it smells like. So I'm not sure I would use this. My girlfriend also said that it's not good. They also included this for free. So just another little note. Thanks for watching this unboxing and first look video of the $600 Louis Vuitton Slender Wallet. if you guys are interested in the 4Fs, finance, fashion, fitness, or fun, subscribe to my channel. And I hope to post more. And thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.